bombastic side eye.
Ladies and gentlemen, Royal was playing around. He was pretending he didn't know how to do the footwork. And a matter of fact, he did know how to do the footwork. I want to go home. I want to play Fortnite.
Tonight that we got the truck, we're going downtown, gonna beat up the run.
Oh, I know this could like decrease my testosterone by 50%.
Maybe. Show the band-aid, show the band-aid. What do you got?
I don't know what.
Let me see. Zoom in. Oh, puppies. Uh-oh. The chicos are about to spar. The chica. The locals. Dun-dun-dun. All right, I'm gonna get in there. Wait for me. Oh my goodness. That's Eric Morales. Yeah. Eric Morales. Maybe with Angel. Come on, Angel. Jab him. You can jab that little kid. Jab him to the body, jab him to the head. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy, he's angry. He's not smiling no more. He's angry. Oh, there he is.
Side eye.
Don't look at your daddy. Look at your opponent. Uh-oh, I'm recording. They're gonna see on YouTube that you're not doing the footwork right. You better be doing the footwork right. Move the head, move the head. Guard, 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 move, move. Keep the hands up, hands up. Breathe when you punch too. Move, Mutaz, like we practice on the pads, okay? Don't pretend like you don't know what you're doing. Inside of he, for the love of God, keep the right hand up. Yo, what's going on? Damn.
Inside, side to side, like icing. Yeah, don't stop. Move your head when you get inside. Go inside. Move your head. Move your head. You're not moving your head, sir. Yes, mueve la cabecita, mueve la cabeza. Yeah, nice. See? Good job, sister. Keep it up, Sarah. Keep it up, Sarah. Touch it up.
Aye, that's time. Damn.
Mask is getting sweaty. I want to take my mask off.
Go. Don't turn away, Alex. I mean Angel. Whoops. Don't turn away, okay?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Es Chira.
Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. What? Too tall? Or it's okay? No. Man, that's as short as it goes. I see. I see you, champ.
Well, get the fuck out the way.
Dude, it smells like poop somewhere over there.
Probably that kid. Where'd he go? Yo.
My knee hurts.
Why is Johnny beating up new kids? Yo, there's a car. Sure.
Get center fired.
Oh yeah? Pose. Yo, the light.
I have a feeling I'm concussed.
Oh, I got raindrops on my lens. Let me turn the strong. Whoa. How does he do it?
So if I was the guy, I go, right? You just try to go, boom, boom.
I see.
Just to pull, head straight to the top.
there and just start shadow boxing.
Oh, focus.
Is it hell?
No. Wanna try?
Say I want.
Caesar's gonna shadow box. Where is he? Yo, an ultimate camera just got drenched.
Just press it once, alright? My shit's on 5%. Let's do this
Wait,
quick.
like, press it like this.
Uh-oh, there he goes. There he goes. Kick that door open. Kick that door open. Oh, I can't see nothing.
How do you press play?
I don't know. Yo, that's too...
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yo, this guy is crazy.
Wow.
He's loco. Look at the thunder. Look at the lightning. Vámonos, vámonos. Yowza.
You think it would be nasty if I did my hair? Because there's a bunch of water falling right there.
It would be disgusting, but
Yeah.
No, it's clean water.
It's cold.
That's Chicago cleanest water.
It's super cold.
it's super cold. It's super nasty.
It's Chicago's cleanest water. Oh, hell
Oh,
no.
yeah, that's the dirtiest cold.
That shit coming from a sewer, bro.
That's coming from the underground.
Damn. Right under the light. Ready? Ready?
Not really.
Go, round start, round
Yo,
start.
what's this dude doing?
On the rain, huh?
He's shadow boxing in the rain. He's crazy. Damn.
Yo, fuck it. I actually want to do it. Let me get my gym shoes.
How about no shoes?
Go for the cloud. Go for the cloud. Go.
Yo, that really is Johnny Lightning. He's gonna get struck by the lightning. Vámonos, vámonos. Huh? It's now. Yo, he's crazy. It's Johnny Lightning. He's calling the lightning. Damn.
Oh, shoot, I didn't realize.
Yo.
Johnny, speed like lightning. If you're gonna ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder.
Oh.
Yo. Doof, 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 doof.
That lightning's really going.
Can you do that for me?
I got you. Yo, there he goes.
There he is.
The #1 contender. Keep going, keep going.
YouTube's gonna take this down.
I get struck by lightning. No, you should edit me getting struck by lightning.
Oh yeah. Who did I bet against that Pistons were gonna lose? I think it was Magic. I bet Magic was gonna lose. And I won my money.
Whoa, look at that lightning. Panda, panda, panda. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. He's eating the broccoli. Dun-dun-dun. Alright, man. We're full as hell. This was a good little stop before we go home.
Okay, we eat. I'm suing Panda Express.
Whoa. No. Anyway, that's the vlog.